Today, we gonna do our science book. But before that, let's greet everyone. First, good morning. Everybody, hands together. And let's greet everyone. Good morning. 1, 2, 3. Good morning. Now, review time. Yesterday, we had learned how to identify the correct word for each picture, right? From our phonics book, right? And you also learned how to read phrases in order for you to match the correct word to the picture, right? Good job, everybody. Now, workbook time. Today, we gonna do our science book. Now, everybody, please get your science book. Do you have it? Okay, now, we're going to do 2 pages for today. Page 14 and 15. Now, let's do first the page 15. Let's do first the 14. We're going to do page 14 and 15. Okay, now, this is the continuation of the farm animals that we tackled the other day. Okay, now today, we gonna do how do animals grow. See? We're going to learn today how the animals grow. Is it from egg? Is it from baby to adult? Okay, we will going to learn it today. Now, in this activity, we have 3. 1, 2, 3 activities. You're going to write down 1, 2, and 3 inside the circle, right? Which one is the first one? You're going to write down number 1. Then the second one, number 2. Then the third one is number 3. You're going to put the pictures in the correct order, right? So write number 1, 2, or 3 in each circle. Now let's start. What do you think the first picture? Of course, this one, right? Yes. We need first the mommy and the daddy. Then this is number 1. Then lay eggs, right? This is number 2. Then turn into a youngs, right? Or a baby. This is number 3. Now, everybody, do you understand now? Teacher, I will give you an example. Write down 1, 2, 3. Now, let's move to the second part. Which one do you think the first one? Of course, the egg, right? So, this is number 1. What's next? Very good. This is number 2. And turn to adult. 3. Right? Did you get it? Do you understand? Of course. Now, the last part. This is a goat. Right? Okay. Now, I think from this picture, right? From a baby kid. Then, bigger, then turn into adult, right? So, this is number 1. Number 2. Number 3. In this activity, you learn how the animals grow, right? Okay. Now, ready? Turn to page 15. Animals and their uses. Okay, right? Are you ready? Now, we have 1, 2 activities for this page. Now, the first one. What is this? Louder. Cow. Very good. This is a cow. Now, what you're going to do with this activity? Cow is a farm animal, right? Cow is a farm animal, and the cow gives us food. Now, we're going to know what are the foods that cow gives us. Okay? What do you think? Cow gives us milk. Cows gives us egg. Cows gives us meat. You're going to circle the food that cow gives us. Which one are you going to circle? Of course, cow gives us milk. Circle. Cow gives egg? I don't think so. Cows give meat? Yes. Circle. Very good. Next. What is this? A sheep. Do you know that the sheep give us wool? Yes. And then you need to color. In this part, you need to what? Color the things that are made of wool. Now what do you think? Do you think the mittens is made of wool? We already learned this one, everybody. Do you still remember it? Yes, the mittens is made out of wool. Then color. How about the belt? How about the belt? No, it's not. Right? How about this one? Is it made out of wool? How about this? Then color. Color the things that made out of wool. Take a look. So we have the mittens, the belt. This is the hat, and this is the sweatshirt. Is it made of wool? Okay. So today you learned animals and their uses. Very good, everybody. Now that's all for this semester. Teacher Abby will be seeing you back again next semester, everybody. For now, let's wave our hands, wave, 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 and say bye. See you again next semester. Bye.